Hello everyone, my name is Shad and I'm the Service Director here at Japanese Auto Repair.
Hey there, I'm Patrick. I'm the Service Manager here at Japanese Auto Repair.
The 5K Peace of Mind service that Japanese Auto Repair offers, it's basically a service that's done every 5,000 miles. It's the same service that the manufacturers prescribe in their service bulletins.
A traditional oil change is just that. It's just an oil change. All you are doing is just changing the oil, the filter, maybe the washer if you catch it. Our 5K Peace of Mind package is way more than that. It's way more involved. There's more inspection. The tech is more thorough. They may catch more things, whether it be upcoming maintenance or something more critical that has more urgent needs.
Yeah, absolutely. I totally agree with that. When you're doing a traditional oil change, you're just doing one aspect of what the service required is at that service interval.
We rely on our vehicles to do everything that we need, whether it's from A to B or A to Z. So doing this service or doing any scheduled service is going to be what's needed to keep the car as up to date as possible, so that way it prevents you from any future issues or breakdowns.
The technicians actually have a checklist that they follow when they get that service, and they hit every single one of those points. Anything that's coming up, he will catch that. If there's brakes, tires that are needed, he will be able to catch that. If the fluid condition is dirty, he will catch that. In the long run, your car will last you longer.
This service would be following the factory service maintenance schedule as closely as possible.
The difference between us performing the oil change or quick lube places, they have people that they've trained how to replace a change in oil in a vehicle. They're not certified technicians. They don't understand how an engine operates. So that's the biggest thing, having a certified technician performing the work. We use genuine factory filters here, whether you come in with a Subaru or a Honda. We are using genuine factory parts oil filters on those vehicles. The oil that we use here is a Castrol full synthetic edge oil, which is the best oil you can get in the market. Putting those components together, those are the big differences between having an oil change done at a place like us or the dealership versus quick lube places. People often, ask, can you do an oil change for 15 minutes? I always tell them, why would you want your oil change done in 15 minutes? An oil change should take about an hour to an hour and a half. If anyone that wants to do my personal car's oil change and they want to do it in 15 minutes, I will walk away from that place or run away from that place. To request or sign up for the 5K Peace of Mind service, whether it's at our Suwanee location or our Buford location, you simply just have to ask your service advisor. Your service advisor can set that up for you.
Via text, email, phone call, come in person, or even set it up on our website online. They're all very easy to utilize. Something as simple as an oil change is really easy to mess up, so I wouldn't risk taking it to some place that does not have people with actual automotive experience to risk costing you upwards of an engine. So I prefer to take it to a place that has experience, that has the years behind them and the backing behind it, and that's Japanese Auto Repair.